Hi guys, I just want to give a huge shout out to Rachel, Abby and Hugh for making this possible.
And we'd also like to thank the Park and Day in Treorchy, the Pop Factory in Porth, and all our guests because we couldn't do this without them.
Let's get into it. Hi guys, welcome to YEPSCast, the podcast brought to you by young people
For young people.
Today, since this is the first episode, we're just going to get to know us, really. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Lily, and I'm 15 years old. My local youth club is Anasia, and I've been involved with YEPS since I was in year 7. A fun fact about me is that you can never get me to stop talking.
Hi, my name's Robin. I'm 14. I've been involved with YEPS since year 7. My local youth club is also Anasia, and a fun fact about me is my hair colour's constantly changing. We started this podcast to give information for young people who maybe don't know where to find it, and also as a fun little thing to watch when you're bored.
Our podcast is going to be based around different subjects with different guests, and most guests will be involved with YEPS, but some we might have special guests that you're not really expected to see. Our podcast is going to help young people discover new things and explore different varieties and know where to go if you're struggling.
Our podcast is going to look quite different in some episodes just for a change of scenery. As we said in the thank you, we are in the Park and Day right now, but we might be in the Pop Factory for some episodes just to switch it up.
We may also even be on a YEPS van if the manager decides to let us have one of his 4 vans.
In the future.
We became friends in a very weird situation because we're from different schools. I'm from an English school and Robin's from a Welsh school. We didn't really know each other, and we met through a friend, and then we didn't really like each other at the start. We were like, I don't really know about you. And then all of a sudden, we just clicked and we were constantly talking, constantly on call, going out with each other. The friend that introduced us, we stopped talking to and we were just clicked. We were wrapped around each other's fingers. We couldn't separate us, basically.
Yeah. And we've now been friends for over a year, and it's just like you never know what's going to happen in this friendship. We have amazing opportunities like this that I would have never in a million years imagined. So thank you guys for that also.
Each day is a different experience with Robin, as you never know what mood she's in. She could be hyper, she could be just in your face, she could be just bubbly. You never know with her. We've never once had an argument, which is a good thing about our friendship. And every day we just get closer and we learn more about each other as we go on.
Next, we're going to do a Q&A from you young people. So we do have one on paper from the youth clubs, but also we have some from the Instagram poll.
We put up an Instagram poll for people like us who are involved with YEPS to answer, and we got them to add different questions from their perspective. And first we're going to start off with the Q&A that we got from youth clubs, and then we'll go on to Instagram poll.
Okay, what is your favourite movie?
My favourite movie is probably Mamma Mia, but not the first one because I don't enjoy that one that much. I prefer the second one because I love this. Abby's very offended by you, but I prefer the second one because of all the films, and I love the backstory of how Sophie was born and things like that.
I'd have to say I couldn't pick but anything Tim Burton because I just love his style. So if I had to pick though, I think it'd be Corpse Bride.
The next question is, what is your favourite activity in youth club?
I'd have to say it's not an activity but making hot chocolate in the kitchen because I do love a hot chocolate.
Me and Robin typically just like go there and chill out and, as she said, make hot chocolate, and we talk with Rachel and whoever's working that day, and we just enjoy ourselves. Dodgeball's one of the really good activities there as well.
Unless you get hit in the face full force. That happened last Monday. Okay, the next and final question from the youth clubs is, who is your favourite youth worker?
My favourite youth worker is probably Reese Hopkins because I just find him really fun, and he's just like a really nice man, and he's a really nice boy. And I just enjoy my time with him. He's just a cool person.
For my favourite youth worker, I'd have to say Chelsea Edwards because I've just known her since year 7. She's always been there for me, and she introduced me to YEPS, so she started it all really.
Now we're going to move on to the Instagram poll. Abby, would you please shout out our questions for us?
Right, the first one. What will the episodes mainly be about?
Oh, that's a good question, actually.
Every episode will have a different topic because we'll have different people specialising in certain subjects. Like some episodes will be about mental health, some will be just a fun episode like this. We may get young people our age to come on and explain their experiences and how they found out about youth and like the YEPS opportunities. And some episodes may also bring people in to discuss like things that you wouldn't really expect to hear.
Sounds exciting. Right, the next question. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
I've always said teleportation because I genuinely hate like long trips, like going on holidays, like 4 hours on the aeroplane, and I'd just rather be there straight away. So teleportation would have to be my one.
See, I wouldn't agree with that. I enjoy the excitement of going on the plane and like I get that it drags, but then it's just exciting when you're actually like, oh my god, I'm like over a country that I've never been to, and I just find that exciting. Mine would probably be, I don't know. I'd probably want like, when I speak, I'd want it to be a foghorn, so that like everyone just knows, everyone knows that I'm speaking. So I'm just like, hi. That's so wrong. I just find it funny. Okay.
Right, and then the last question. If you were stuck on a desert island, what one item would you take and why?
If I take my iPad, will I get Wi-Fi? I want to play Roblox.
I'll say yeah.
Okay, I'll take my iPad for Roblox.
See, she's just going for entertainment. I'd go with like a first aid kit so I know I'm safe.
Good shout then.
I mean, I'd rather be bleeding out while playing Roblox. See myself. I love Roblox.
Guys, we're knockout game, like, I'd knock you off the island.
No, don't. Okay, they were really good questions. Thank you, guys. Now we're going to play the Lion Challenge.
But who's going to read the questions?
I don't know. Basically, the Lion Challenge is the trivia game from The Lion in Treorchy, so we thought it'd be fitting to play here in the park and day. And also, this is Dr. Pepper, so don't get any ideas, guys.
I'm very competitive, so I don't feel like this is going to be a good outcome.
Are we ready, girls?
Yeah. Let's go.
Right, so in Greek mythology, who is the god of the sea?
Poseidon.
Lily. What musical features the song Defying Gravity?
Wicked.
Oh, that's rock, paper, scissors.
Yes.
Lily. Which continent has the most countries?
Africa.
Europe. Asia.
You both had Africa at the same time, so rock, paper, scissors.
I just kept guessing.
Yes.
How many wise men visited
Seven.
baby Jesus?
Oh.
Robin.
I was a wise man. I keep thinking it's 7 dwarves.
What do you call a shape with 3 sides?
Triangle.
Robin.
Triangle then.
Triangle.
I'm taking that too. What company has the slogan "Impossible is nothing"?
Oh.
Iron Brew.
No.
Puma. Is
Is it a sports company?
Nike.
Yeah.
No, Nike. Adidas. No, Adidas.
Yes.
Ah,
This is correct.
Yes. Can we roll it back? I swear I said Adidas.
run it back. Anyway, next question.
Name the film "This Is Sparta."
No clue.
No clue.
Do you want to pass?
Yeah,
Do you want the answer?
yeah.
300.
I don't know that film.
Oh. What type of dog is a sausage dog?
Dash Hound.
Leave. Name the song "She Was More Like a Beauty Queen" from a movie scene.
Dancing Queen.
No.
Timber. Oh, Michael Jackson. Smooth Criminal. No, Billie Jean.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
Name a capital city in Europe beginning with the letter C.
Cardiff.
Oh, nice. Right, Lily, you're playing for this Dr. Pepper.
Yep.
What is the name for a person that eats no animal products?
A vegetarian. Herbivore.
Vegan.
I would say herbivore.
Robin, well done. What is 12?
Again.
What is 12 plus 5?
17.
Whoa. I didn't even get time to process what Rachel said then.
Name a sport beginning with W.
Water rafting. Water canoeing.
What?
Wrestling.
Wow.
Robin. Right, Rob.
She caught up
you're
fast.
playing for Dr. Pepper as well. What is someone native to Newcastle known as?
A fellow Newcastle lad.
What?
Yeah.
So what is someone
I don't know.
native to Newcastle known as?
I don't know.
I can we find
A Newcastler.
No.
New Cowbridge. I don't know.
Pass.
Pass, yeah.
Geordie.
Oh.
Right, guys, if you don't get this one, I'll be very disappointed. Bore da is good morning in which language?
Welsh!
Oh.
Can we play that back? I want to see who did it.
I think it might have just been Robin.
Yes. Let's go.
No, wait. I think we should have a last tie-off question.
No, that's not fair.
Yeah.
Do you want to your mum?
VR.
Yeah.
VAR.
Yeah, Robin.
That's my Dr. Pepper, by the way. Why are you slurping it? Just shot it.
It's not good for ASMR, you slurping.
Woo! That was a very long ramble than my own.
Thank you.
We have a surprise, girls, for you. You don't know about this. We are going to play Guess the Youth Worker.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know many youth workers.
I know all of you, but I'm going to be amazed about this.
So what I'm going to do is, I am going to hold up a picture for you. You scan the picture and see if you can spot the youth worker.
Oh my
And
god.
shout out their name and I will tell you who's got it correct.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So the first one is
Oh my god.
Carl! In Joey's face is Carl.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
That's so hard to tell. Oh my god. Oh, that's cool.
It's good.
Oh my god.
Okay.
we ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Some of them are really, really funny.
Oh my god. I don't know his name.
No, I don't know his name.
He's the one that Gareth. I don't know. He said Gareth.
I'll take Gareth. It's Gareth Tipley.
Oh, it's the other guy. Okay. Yeah.
I think the other one's upside down.
Oh my god. Who's that?
I'll give you a clue. You saw him on Monday in...
Oh, the weak guy. What's his name?
Oh, Martin, is it? No. Oh, I don't know.
Begins with a D.
Dan.
I don't know. There's something. Denver. I don't know.
Denzel.
Denzel. Oh, it's Den.
Oh my god.
Who is he?
The guy
He's the guy with more wigs.
Who is he?
Linda. Oh god, she's laughing.
Next one is...
Oh my god, I can't see. Who's that?
This,
Croeso.
this Johnny there.
Yeah.
Is it the guy that always comes to youth sometimes in the like?
The guy that always comes.
Yeah, no, he's like
He definitely comes to youth club, yeah.
like our youth club.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know his name.
You should know his name.
He's kind. I don't know.
Jim.
Yeah, you make me think it's Reece Hawkins now.
No, that's not really something.
No, I know.
He works with us on a Wednesday.
I don't
No, I know. He don't go on Wednesday. I know who he is. I've seen him and I know him, but I don't know his name. Darren. Darren, isn't it?
Darren.
Darren. Oh.
This is so
This is really hard.
Right, hopefully you'll get this one, girls.
Oh God, it's better as Rachel.
Or Chelsea.
So who is
Abby! It's not Abby, is it?
Sarah.
No.
Gareth?
Josie.
It's weird. It's like,
Is it Josie?
is that meant to be Patrick Dempsey?
Yeah.
From
It's not.
Grey's Anatomy.
Our youth club.
Yeah, sometimes. Oh my God, why is their face so smooth?
It's not.
It's not Chelsea. Is it Chelsea?
Chelsea.
Oh my God!
What Chelsea though?
Chelsea Edwards. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
For an angle, you'll know. See it?
Oh my god, you can't. That's so scary.
The skin is just so like glassy.
Glassy.
Like, I know what's coming up, that's why I'm laughing.
Oh God.
Right, next one. What film is this first?
Mean
Girls. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh my god.
Dance Girls.
It's a mean girl.
I want to put that in my room.
Right, guys, I have kept the best to last.
I'm scared now.
So you've got to guess the character and the youth worker.
Okay.
Glenda Reese Hopkins.
Oh my god.
No, Glenda Alpha. That's amazing.
Beautiful picture now.
You want to take our home?
That's amazing. I love that.
Oh my god.
Well done, girls.
Well, that was hard.
It was.
I love that.
I love that.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.
Stay tuned for the next episode. It's going to be a fun one. Bye.
Bye.